We've talked a lot about Metasploit.
Yeah.
Now, another thing I want to mention, it does follow some common steps for exploiting any target system. First, you have to select and configure the exploit for the target. This code will be targeted for a system to take advantage of a defect or a bug in the software or in the system. Now, you have to validate whether the chosen exploit is capable to get on the chosen system.
Now, then really the next thing to do is to select and configure a payload to use, right? Now, this payload has the code which will be used on a system after a bug has been found and an entry point is set. Third, you have to select and configure the encoding schema to be used to make sure that that payload can really evade IDS with ease. That's what we want. We want it to be simple. Now, finally, then you can execute the exploit.